Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert bar chart in MS Word. So guys, you can very easily insert it by follow some few and easy steps. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it, and here this option chart, click on it, and here you see this bar option, so click on it, and here you see this bar chart, so select you like this 3D or more option will be there, so select which one you like and click on OK. You see here this is very easily insert, and you can customize this chart also like this color style and more. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and like this video